What's good, twin? Huh?
Say you did record.
Yeah, YouTube.
Show me some, bro.
Word, yo, look up theOnlycarter. Yeah. C-A-R-T-E-R. Yeah. I got a scat pack at home. Word. Yeah. Alright, fool. I'll see you. God bless. What's happening, YouTube? We back with another YouTube video. And today's video, as y'all can see, you know, I got one of my other cars real quick. You know, you see the Hellcat. So we about to whip a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? So let's start this video, you know what I'm saying? What y'all think? Y'all like it? All right, bet, let's go. Welcome back, YouTube. It is theOnlycarter. Today in a brand new video. We got the Camry right here. Still got the nose. We're gonna take it off maybe the 25th, but I'm whipping the Camry today. Another POV, another exciting POV for you guys. I'm happy and I'm blessed. Happy to give you guys a new video. I do got a washer, so hopefully the weather is calm next week because I do want to get her a washer because it's been snowing back home. I did make it to Virginia yesterday, or we made it back on Wednesday night, and we're here for 4 more months until we graduate. So I'm going to be giving you guys a cool little POV. It's going to be a cool little calm POV. I'm going to be driving around Hampton, so we're going to get that going. And then sometime this week, you know, I'm going to bless y'all with another video, and we'll go from there. I am thinking about posting either a cutting up video, or maybe if it does rain, I'll get you guys that rainy POV as well. Look at these spots. My goal is to maybe possibly just drive around and show you guys, you know, Hampton because it's warm outside. But let's get it going. I'm gonna be doing another DoorDash POV. That's the other car right there. I don't really drive it that much. You know, she is dusty, so I've been just leaving her, just sitting there. But if you all do wanna go see that POV Hellcat, I gotcha. Let me know what y'all want. It's an Escalade. No, everybody. All right, I'm gonna head to the gas station real quick. I'm about to get myself a sweet tea, and then I'm gonna just drive around and we just gonna chill. Hopefully you guys liked the educational short that I posted a couple days ago about the EV breakdown. Hopefully it made sense to some people who were wondering or had questions about EV. So talked about that for y'all. What else? We're gonna probably do another sports video because I haven't done a sports video. You know, I'm gonna just keep bringing more POVs. I'm gonna do more ASMR videos because I know some people, or not most, but a good chunk of people who watch my videos want to see ASMRs, you know, just for the watch time hours and just to have it on the background noise. It's pretty cool and aesthetic if you guys please. But I know some of you guys do want the cutting up video. Once I get a maintenance done, I just hit 26,000 miles. I'm going to have a cut up video, but I can still put a cut up video out, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, chat? Damn, that's a Maybach right here. That's sweet. No day, everybody. That's a good one. What's up, man?
What up? Excuse me, boss.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, man.
Amen.
That first sip feeling of the sweet tea, beautiful. Look at that beautiful car. Dang, she is ugly with salt. It's cool. I'm gonna probably wash her soon. Bro, I have so many ideas. I just have so many things in play. Just thinking, you know what I'm saying? Man, I felt like 20 years in there, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, come on. I'm gonna probably drive to PTC, probably drive around real quick, and then I'm gonna just call it, you know what I'm saying? Oh, come on, twin. It's good, twin. Oh. We're on eco mode, so I'm gonna probably fill up on gas maybe later tonight, and then I'm gonna probably make 2 videos. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make 3 videos for next week, because I did miss. I wasn't gonna post last night, but this video is supposed to be for today, so hopefully I get that published and scheduled on time. Hopefully, the latest I'll probably post maybe like 5:30 or maybe 6. But hopefully this video does numbers. Once again, you guys do like the content, so I'm gonna produce more content this upcoming year. You know, 2026 just started 8 days ago, so I am excited because more content. It has been a year that I've been making POVs, so hopefully, you know, I do produce and make better content, you know, along my journey with this YouTube. So just bear with me, fellas. You know, the spoiler and the mirror caps are gonna come soon. I know I've been saying that for the past 7 months, or yeah, 6, maybe 5 or 6 months. But you know, things happen, guys. It's out of my control. You know, it's all good. Once we get those mirror caps and that spoiler, life's gonna be perfect. But it's cool. The car is still good. You know, I still give you guys POVs. I still give you guys content. I make the content for you guys. You know, if there's reviews or if there's questions y'all ask me, I'm gonna produce that to you guys as well. So just let me know. And yeah, we just gonna vibe, you know what I'm saying? I actually am gonna go see if there is a smoothie available. I doubt it, but it's worth a try. Verse of the day, Matthew chapter 23, verse 18. Make sure you guys do go check that out. God is powerful, and God holds everything. Give your worries to God. I promise you guys will be straight. Don't be stressed in this world. I know a whole bunch of stuff's happening nowadays, you know, AI, politics, sports, entertainment, a whole bunch of crazy stuff's happening, but you gotta just stay focused, you know what I'm saying? The goal is to make it. Do something what you're passionate about, guys. I'm telling you, the money will come. Huh?
I say you didn't record.
Yeah, YouTube.
Show me something, bro.
Word, yo, look up theOnlycarter. Yeah. C-A-R-T-E-R. Yeah. I got a scat pack at home. Word. Yeah. All right, fool. I'll see you. God bless. See, look, I just got a fan. Bro. I'm telling you, bro, it's all love at the end of the day. I like to support my people. And, you know, people who aren't in my, you know, community, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I know I told y'all in the last video, I'm going to be upgrading my GoPro content. I'm excited for that. And the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, listen, I'm gonna give you guys a review. Then the old Meta glasses, that's the one I have, and the Meta glasses 2 that just came out, there's really no difference. It's just more technology in the glasses, but overall you can still use it like the new glasses, you know what I'm saying? You can still listen to music, you can still take pictures, still take videos. It's a cool experience. I think it's a great investment if people are like, you know, who have prescription glasses or reading glasses. I think it's still pretty cool, I ain't gonna lie. Yep, if you do want to cop it, they're like, I think they start off by like $399. It's still a little up there in price range, but it's really a great investment if you're trying to start off with like making content and stuff. You know, that's perfect right there. That's a camera as well, inside glasses. I think that's pretty sweet. But if you're trying to, you know, use it for reading glasses, go ahead. Or, you know, your eyes messed up, you can't see, use it for prescription glasses. You know, it really is triple homicide, you know what I'm saying? I'm trolling. I am trolling. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat today. Chipotle was busting yesterday, I ain't gonna lie. Come on, twin. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, this video might be posted tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. If I would have recorded yesterday and then have that video posted today, that would have been great. You know, today is a Friday. You know, lots of people are outside, people are having fun, it's warm. So I wanted to have that content for you guys, but it's okay. I will have that posted on Saturday. I don't think my drink is there today, so I'll be a little bummed. I ain't gonna lie. It's okay if it's not there. I inspired from the past year, I inspired 24 people to get a Camry or the new ones, like the 25 or the 26s. If I do inspire you to watch these videos or, you know, for this YouTube, hey, I will go cop a Camry. A Camry is a good car. And if you're trying to, you know, get your daughter or your son a car, I will go get them, you know, a starter car. Maybe a Camry LE will start. I feel like it'll be good for them. It'll be a good, you know, basic car. You know, good technology features. You know, they have the EV mode. You know, they got eco. You know, if they drive slow. You know what I'm saying? Normal's cool. Sport mode's if you're trying to have a little more fun. But I can tell you that it is only 232 horsepower if you're driving the SE version, the XLE. And The XSE might have a little bit more horsepower. I don't know for sure. I would have to look back. I'm not the complete expert. Just want to let you guys know. But I am a car enthusiast. You know, I am a content creator. So I like to produce content for you guys. So I can chill and have fun. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Come on, MTC. I don't know who he is. Buddy crazy. Buddy is crazy. Oh, that's sweet. I've seen that before. You lost your mind. You lost your mind. Yeah, Camry's a good car. It's a great car. And that, oh, look at another SRT. Look at that SRT. And it's another Hellcat, baby. Look at that heli. Look at that Hellcat. Look at that Hellcat. Y'all see that? And he a Mason. Free Mason crazy. Free Mason is crazy. Hey, if y'all made it this far and y'all enjoyed the content, make sure you guys go check out the other videos and the newest videos. Hopefully you guys stay blessed. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. And I will see you guys starting Monday. I'm gonna record, the plan is to record either Sunday to have that video Monday, record on Tuesday to have that video for Wednesday, and record on either Wednesday or Thursday to have the video on next Friday, a week from today. But yeah, let me give y'all a 360 of the car and then we out of there. We out of here. You know what I'm saying? We is out. Make sure you go drink some sweet tea. Sweet tea will help you, bro. I'm telling you. Sweet tea be helping me out for sure. Hey, bro. Make sure you stay great and do something that you love this weekend. You know what I'm saying? The Camry and the Only Carter is out. Make sure you guys do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.